Good evening. Frank, thank you for your leadership in organizing this event. Thanks to each of you for attending tonight. It's good to see so many friends here. I'm David Harmer. I got my start in politics at age 4, walking precincts for my dad, John Harmer, who served as lieutenant governor under California Governor Ronald Reagan. Dad wrote a book about his experience as Reagan man of principle, first-hand glimpses into the character of the governor based on his personal experience. When I say I'm a Reagan Republican, I say that not just as a matter of heritage, but as a matter of temperament and conviction. I started my career as counsel to a subcommittee of the Senate Judiciary Committee, appointed by Senator Orrin Hatch. Specializing in constitutional law, my job was to help shepherd good conservatives through the shameful confirmation ordeal. From there, I went to Pacific Legal Foundation, where I litigated in defense of personal and economic freedoms, especially property rights, against radical environmentalists and bureaucrats who were oppressing people on their own land. As president of the sponsoring organization of the Parental Choice in Education Initiative, I wrote the book School Choice, which was published by the Cato Institute. At the Heritage Foundation, I worked with the nation's leading conservatives. One of my colleagues was Ed Meese, Attorney General under President Reagan, who's among the many old Reagan hands endorsing my candidacy. Speaking of endorsements, I'm very pleased to announce that co-chairing my campaign will be my good friend Dean Andall, our nominee for this seat in the last election. I've spent most of my career in the private sector. I've been an executive of large companies, I've managed small businesses. But what I've learned is this: we can't ever lead the freedom fight. My law review article, Securing a Free State, Why the Second Amendment Matters, is an example of my commitment to constitutional rights. I don't just share your views and values, I've spent a lifetime putting them into policy. Thank you.